Hi my loves, welcome back to Paradigm Shift Tarot. This is Devrupa. I'm an astrologer, also tarot reader. In this channel we discuss astrology, tarot readings and all others important stuff. अगर आप सभी को इन सब में दिलचस्पी है, इंटरेस्ट है, तो ये चैनल आपके लिए है. हम लोग देखेंगे आपके रीसेंट पास्ट को, आपके करंट एनर्जीज को, ऑल्सो आपके नियर फ्यूचर को. ओके, सो दिस रीडिंग इज़ फॉर माई Aries people. This reading is for my Aries people from 15th of Feb to the 28th. How you all doing? What's up? Are you all good? I hope you guys are well and doing good. If you want to book personal readings, you can always go down below in the description box where my email ID is given and contact me over there. Okay, these are general readings, so they may not resonate for all of you, but if they do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because all your subscription comments encourages me more and more. Okay, Aries people, King of Cups, could be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Oh, new offer in love. Three of Pentacles, could be a friendship turning into could be a friendship turning into or could be a friend offering you some sort of love. To 9, you have been wishing for such offer of love. Page of Pentacles, Temperance. At this time, my dear Aries people, there is some sort of timing. There is something regarding time. Either things are not moving fast in your life, and there is some sort of waiting involved in the situation, and you can't wait to see things more and more in a relation. This could be a friendship or a business deal, where one person with whom you have been a business, you have been like business partners, or could be a friend, and this friend may be offering you love in this Valentine's week, and maybe you have some sort of resistance towards it, because in your past, maybe you were a little stuck in your past. Okay, the kind of experiences that you had as a child, or like in your middle school or high school, maybe now, maybe in your recent past, where you have been through a little bit of not little bit, a lot of obstacles, hurdles, and that has made you stuck over there. Sometimes we don't even realize the kind of problems that we are going through, and we don't even realize that we are stuck. And I feel like this is the same with you. You are stuck. Okay, yes, I'm not saying that you are stuck and not happy. Yes, you are happy. You're trying to make yourself happy, keep yourself happy, and you're trying every possible way to fulfill your dreams and wishes. But there is but man hi man mein you are little stuck. Man hi man mein there is a situation that you couldn't come out from, and that is causing a little bit of resistance towards the love that has been offered to you between this time or around this time. Okay, so this could be a friend who got feelings for you, or this could be you have feelings for them, and you want to offer the love, and you have been wishing for this love, and wishing for this person to come up. This could be a Scorpio, Pisces or Cancer, could be a Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn, could be any sign, doesn't matter, could be a Libra. And I feel like you're more focused in your job, and you want to balance things out. Maybe you want to find a balance between the love and finances. Okay, and maybe you are like, okay, let me fix my finances first, and then I will go for love and etc. And the person, this person could be even in your business field, or you guys met at work, or you guys work together, or you guys in the same school working, or same college. Could be anything, but I feel like this person or you have offered a love. I feel like this person, the other person, has offered the love or will offer a love, but I think you guys know who am I talking about. But you have some sort of no, I don't want it right now kind of energy. Okay, oh no, what if I again get stuck, what if this happens, what if that happens, all that stuck energies that you have inside of you. And that is preventing you from making that offer of love, because you are thinking a lot with your head, my dear Aries people. But yes, I feel like from your financial front, yes, you are working on your wishes, you are working towards what you want, and you're trying to fulfill those in whatever aspect of your life. Could be in finances, could be just a job, and you're finding that balance that you have been searching for quite a long time. Let's see the oracle cards for you all. Prompting, call a friend today. Prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receiving it. Yes, I feel like from your financial front, I see you guys earning a lot means a lot, and you guys are finally finding that stability. Maybe you guys were planning on buying something, you guys wanted to do something for someone and you couldn't do because you had lack of resources in the past, but within 15 to 30th 28, I see you guys receiving a lot of flowing abundance. And with the call a friend today, I strongly feel this could be a friend of yours, okay? And maybe they are going through, if some of your friends are going through a little bit of hard time, try to call them up and talk to them. Also, if you have like any pet, I feel like they are the true friend of yours, and they will always be this friend. So if you're feeling a little stuck and etc., spend time with your pet or the kind of animals you like. Many of you love cats and dogs, maybe dogs, and you treat them as your friend and family member, and spirits are seeing that kind of generosity that you show to them, and that will bring a lot of prosperity. Also, if you think that there is some sort of friend that you need to talk things out with, this is a very good time to communicate your heart out with that person, so that no more misconceptions and miscommunications happen in the coming future. So this was your reading, my dear Scorpio. Sorry, did I say Scorpio? Yeah, you could be dealing with a Scorpio as well. So this was your reading, my dear Aries people, and I'll see you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.